How do you clean your cows here? They said you are using
we are using like their pieces.
the ashes.
Yes, we call pieces. We put and then we dry. After the
Then you
dry,
burn.
then you collect and then you burn. When you burn it, those pieces will be converted into ash. Then you clean, and then the cow
So
will
it's
be
true,
yeah.
This is what you use,
Yes.
and also the same powder that you put in the paste.
Yes, like even you can brush your teeth with that.
Magandang araw mga kabayan. Marami na nga pala ako naging mga video na ang topic yung tungkol sa mga baka nila dito. Na dito napakarami nilang mga baka na ginagamit nila sa pang-dowry. Alam ba ninyo na dito sa kanila, yung mga baka na yan, meron din silang itinuturing ng mga special cows. Na yung isang baka na yon, pwede nilang ipagpalit ng 20 baka, 30 baka. Meron silang mga ganon. At yung mga special cow nila dito, inaalagaan talaga nila ng gusto yun. Lagi nilang nililinis. Mas pinapakain nila ng madami yon kaysa sa mga ibang mga baka. Ginagawa nila mga pinakapaborito nilang mga baka. At kapag mayroong mga okasyon, kagaya ng Pasko, Bagong Taon, yung mga baka na yon, dinadala nila yon sa Kabayanan. Doon sa Freedom Square nila, parang party. Pinaparada nila yun doon. Maraming beses na ako nakakita nun nung pinaparada nila yung mga paborito nilang baka doon sa Kabayanan. Lalo na pagka Pasko at Bagong Taon. Nilalagyan nila ng kung ano-ano, may mga bulaklak pa. Basta kung ano-ano yung nilalagay nila para magmukhang maganda yung mga baka nila. At pati sa pagbilang ng dowry, ibinubukod nila yung category ng mga bulls, ng mga special cows nila, kaysa dun sa mga bakang maliliit lang. Iba kasi ang bilang nun. Kagaya nga nung sinabi ko na yung isang special cow, 20 hanggang 30 ang katumbas nun sa mga karaniwang baka. Hello, Paul Doctor.
Video.
Doctor.
Yeah, video.
Here, you have here what you call special cows, right?
Yes, we have a special cow like bull.
Bulls.
Yeah, especially there's a certain bull called Marial.
Marial.
Yeah, it's a bull. Like that bull is very expensive. Like when it has a pink nose, will equivalent like 30 cows. Like
Equivalent to 30 cows.
Yeah.
One bull only.
Only one bull.
Why do you consider those special cows?
Because the color is red. It's red type. You can't find.
Color is red.
Yeah. I was like the color of the bull. It's very tricky. You can't find it easily.
But I didn't see red bull here.
They're here.
They're here?
Yeah, they're here, but they cannot be found easily. Unless you go to the
Really?
cattle
There is red.
even red, black.
Black I know.
Yeah, but red is there. There are very many there in the cattle camps.
I've never seen
The-
red.
Yeah, we have all these colors like red, pinks, what. We all have
So which one is the most expensive cow?
bulls, like bulls, Marial.
Marial.
Yeah,
Ah,
like Marial. When it is tall, and then it has pink nose.
pink nose.
Yeah, pink nose. Like when the nose is red, nose and the mouth is red.
You mean the nose?
Yeah.
I thought the body.
No, not the body.
The nose.
The nose. When the nose is pink, and the mouth is look like red, it will be costly.
It's very expensive.
Yes, very expensive.
Equivalent to 30 cows.
To 30 cows. Like if you want to buy that.
How about the other special cows?
The special cows? It depends. Like
How they grow?
they grow,
Uh,
like if you have this the bull, the bull is look like the bull is very. I mean, when the bull is very beautiful, and then you talk to the owner of the bull, and then you pay like something like money, or you pay something like cow, so that you're going to meet with your cow. Then your cow will produce the bull who's look exactly the bull. Yeah, and then you are going to pay something.
And so, what are those kinds of bulls that you consider special here?
especially
Like Marial,
Marial, Makur, Malwal.
there are many, huh?
There are very many and Majuk. Yeah. But the main purpose when they have pink nose, eh?
Pink nose.
Yes.
This is the most expensive.
They are the beautiful.
So it's not for selling for slaughter, huh?
My friend, you cannot find that those cows who are selling unholy. Like if you want to sell the cow, then you will be arrested.
Really, yeah.
Like if you want to slaughter for nothing, my friend, they will put you in the jail, because in every cattle camps there is the leader in the cattle camp. Like if you want to sell your cow, and then you first consult the leader of the cattle keepers. But if you sell cow without his or her permission, you are going to be arrested. Yeah, because those cows, they are costly and they are source of tourism. Like when for example, when those people who came from Uganda, they will come and pay something, like they will pay money to will go and then they wash, like there in the zoo.
And how do you clean your cows here? They said you are using
we are using like their pieces. The
ashes.
Yes, we call pieces. We put and then we dry. After the
Then
dry,
you burn.
then you collect and then you burn. When you burn it, those pieces will be converted into ash. Then you clean, and then the cow
So
will
it's
be
true, huh?
yeah.
This is what you use, huh?
Yes.
And also the same powder that you put in the paste.
Yes, like even you can brush your teeth with that ash.
That one.
Like mine, have you seen my teeth? Like I remember when I was in cattle camp, I used to brush my teeth with that
one,
ash.
huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, have a
See you
nice day.
tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
So what's your duty tomorrow?
Tomorrow I'm going to
Morning
work
or
afternoon. But I think tomorrow I will not work.
Really?
Because, yeah, maybe tomorrow I'll go to the village to help my siblings. I want to go and weed the garden.
Okay,
You know weeding?
waiting?
Yeah, like weeding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, see you on Saturday. Saturday.
Saturday.
See you on Monday.
Yeah, no problem.
Kahapon nga pala, 3 na yung nakita kong dikdik na kumakain dyan. Doon sa tapat nung kwarto ko na yan. Ayun yung kainan nila. Oh. Dito sa loob ng compound, marami yan yung mga dikdik na yan. Siguro mahigit 10 yan. Pero yung maamo sa akin, yung 2 lang. Yung laging kumakain dito. At kahapon nga, nakita ko, 3 na. Yung nasa gawing kanan, yan yung bago lang na kumakain dito. Yung 2, yan yung matatagal na. Yung bago na yan, babae rin yun. At yan lang po muna sa ngayon mga kabayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo rin yung share ko ngayon. At maraming salamat po doon sa mga laging nanonood ng mga ina-upload ko.